Hello all. In this video, I will share what are the PP master data in S4HANA and how we are transferring it to the PPDS, IBP and EWM. Okay, I am sharing my screen. First, I will go with my Excel sheet. Then I will go into the SAP. Okay, you can see this is the Excel sheet. Okay, so left side you can see S4HANA column, column C, how we are transferring the data from S4 to column D, PPDS, column F, IBP, column H, EWM. Okay. So what are the PP master data? First of all, metal master. We are preparing metal master through MM01 in S4HANA, and we are transferring this master data from S4HANA to PPDS. In PPDS, we are calling the product code. In S4HANA, we are calling the metal master. Okay. How we are transferring? There is a procedure called sifting. The transaction code is CFM1T code. Okay. So through this T code, we are transferring data from S4HANA to PPDS. Okay. Now from S4HANA to IBP, again, we are calling the product code. S4HANA to EWM, again, we are calling the product code. Okay. Now next, BOM, bill of material, we are creating in S4HANA, work center, our resource, routing, our master recipe. Okay. These master data directly we are not transferring. Resource we can transfer from S4HANA to PPDS and PPDS to IBP. Okay. And BOM and routing, our master recipe, we are transferring from S4HANA to PPDS and IBP through production version. Here we are calling the production version. So what is the production version? Production version is a combination of your BOM, bill of material and routing, our master recipe. Here we are calling the PDS. Production version we are calling in PPDS as a PDS, product data structure. And IBP again we are calling same as a PDS. So how we are transferring? Again, we are transferring through the sifting. Okay, CFM1T code. So this is the master data part. EWM only we are transferring the product. We are not transferring the BOM, routing, work center, those. Okay, only we are transferring the product code. Okay, and some EWM related metal master setting also required, that I will let you know after the next video. Okay, so slowly we'll go. Okay, so this is the master data part. Coming to the transactional part. So suppose you run the MRP, you got the plan order, you convert the plan order to production order or process order. Then how you are transferring your data from S4 to PPDS and IBP, how you will transfer, and EWM, how you will transfer. So we are transferring those data from S4 to other three logical system through the RFC. This is called the remote function call. The transaction code is SM59. The basis people will set up this SM59. Okay, this is the transaction code. So master data, always keep in mind, in interview can ask how will transfer the master data from S4 to PPDS or IBP or EWM or any other SAP system. So we can say that through sifting we can transfer. And what about the transactional data? We can say that through RFC, remote function call. We are transferring the data from S4 to PPDS or IBP or EWM and vice versa. Okay, because sometimes it will take inbound delivery you are creating in S4HANA, then it will transfer to S4HANA to EWM. EWM, you will do some create the warehouse task, you will do the warehouse confirmation, then again some acknowledgement, get back to S4HANA. So this is the vice versa data transfer from S4HANA to EWM, EWM to S4HANA. Okay. So how we are transferring? Remote function call. Okay. So what is happening basically? What is the flow? I will let you know. You are doing SNP planning, supply network planning. You are doing in IBP, forecast based planning. So once you put the forecast based planning in IBP, it will transfer to your PPDS. Okay. Where you can see RRP3. This one, product view. You can see the product view in RRP3. I will let you know the transaction code later. Then once you run the MRP MD01N live MRP S4HANA, your plan order will be created. Once your plan order will be created, again it will display into the your product view PPDS as well as in the MD04. So once you convert this plan order to production order or process order, you have to assign the production version. Okay. Then once you get the production order, again it will transfer from PPDS to MD04 system. Okay. So from MD04, basically in S4HANA, you are doing the planning and you are converting the plan order to production order or process order. Later you can do the release, production order or process order, you doing the confirmation. So this is the flow. So once you get the MD0 PPDS, MD04, you will get the plan order. You will convert the plan order, convert to production order or process order with assign the PDS. PDS means nothing but it's a production version, product data structure. Now go to MD04, you will see the your production order. Then you release the production order or process order. Then you do the confirmation. So this is the PP flow, basic PP flow. It will come here. Okay. Okay. Now next, I am going to SAP. Now already I opened the Excel sheet that's working in a remote area. Okay, so in SAP, what we had to do in CFM1 transaction code, I will let you know once my SAP I will get back through CFM1 T code. What is this? This is the core integration model. Okay, core integration model. So what we'll do here, we will transfer our material master and PDS. We can transfer here also CFM1, and how we will know that we have to transfer this material to where in PPDS or IBP or EWM. So in PPDS, IBP and EWM, there is a separate, we are calling the logical system you have to create like that. How we are creating? Like PPDS CLNT01. This you will not create. Functional people will not create. This is the created by the basis people. So this is the path. Through that, you can divert your material from S4HANA to either PPDS or IBP or AWM or any other SAP system. Okay, like transportation management, whatever. Okay, PPDS. Like second one, IBP. What is the logical system? IBP CLNT client 01. Next, EWM CLNT01. This is the logical system. You have to create the logical system. Means basis people will create the logical system. Then you will assign into the your CFM1. You have to provide this logical system. Then you can transfer your master data to your PPDS, IBP, and EWM. Okay. Later I will explain what are the configurations required. What are the PPDS configurations required. You have to create the logical system. Then you have to create the some PPDS configuration you have to required for the data transfer. Okay, live cache is required. What are the configuration for IBP? I will let you know what are the configuration required. EWM, what are the configurations required? It's detail one by one. I will go PPDS, IBP, EWM. What are the configurations required? What are the other master data required? What are the prerequisites to required? What are the setup required prior to data transfer? Okay, those information I will let you know. So just go through this Excel sheet. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will reply back. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wait for my next video. Thank you.